guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet again another video. So for today we have a few clothing pieces to review here on the table. I actually forgot to put these down on the floor. Those were from the prior video. If you guys haven't checked it out, make sure you go ahead and do, because we have been adding so many fire clothing pieces to the closet that is just unbelievable, okay? And I'm super excited because I just have so much stuff that I want to style on my Instagram. So make sure that if you don't follow me yet, you make sure you go ahead and do right now, because I've been posting a lot of outfits of the day reels, a few mini blogs of, you know, how my days are and whatnot. I'm also trying to step up my Instagram photo games. And lastly, we still have that 5,000 YouTube subscriber giveaway going on my Instagram. If you go ahead and find the Jordan 2 Union reel that I made, it has listed all the steps, so make sure you go ahead and participate if you want to win the sneakers. So for today, it's a little bit of a mystery for me. You guys probably not, because you saw it by thumbnail and title. I personally don't know what we will be reviewing today, because I'll just pick two packages out of the pile and, you know, unbox them and see what's up. Alrighty, so we have the first one right here. Like I mentioned in the last video, when the poly mailers have a cross made out of tape, it means that it comes from my favorite DHGATE seller. He sells a lot of brands, therefore sometimes most of the packages that I get in the mail are from him. Alrighty, so this one was double bagged. Oh, nice. Alrighty, so this one right here was a new item that he had just added to his store. I tend to check the recently added tab just to see, you know, what's trending in his store. And I saw this RHUDE half zip crew neck, and I just thought it was interesting. Now, I don't know if there's a retail piece for this one. I'm sure there has got to be. So I'll show you guys right now. And this one right here is a size medium. He sells American sizes only, so I usually always buy medium. Wow. Wow. Okay, let me show you something really quickly. This is awesome. So hopefully you'll be able to catch it on camera, but the zipper is so cool. I don't know if you guys can see this, but that is so nice. I've never seen this before. Super nice and very soft to open and close. Then we have this nicely embroidered RHUDE logo on the chest. Again, very high quality. Now, the crew neck is very heavy. I'll tell you that. Very heavy, and it will fit me just perfect because sizing it's so nice. Now, it does have a little bit of it like deconstructed style going on. Great, I forgot to hit record. So good that I have this backup audio. Then for piece number 2, it seems like it's also from him, which, by the way, I don't get free stuff from this seller. I wish I did, because I have purchased so many items from this specific seller. Perfect. Alrighty, so we have a Represent Owners Club crew neck. I actually own this exact same one in a dark green color, which I also style on my Instagram through Reels. So if you haven't checked that video, go ahead and check it out. Today we are adding the black colorway to the collection. Alrighty, so as you guys can see, very nicely folded. We got Represent Owners Club right here on the chest. And then of course, like, the money is on the back, okay? Like right here is where you can perfectly see, you know, we have Represent's brand. Then let me show you again the front, just this small chest logo right here. And then we have here the tag on the inside if you guys are curious about it. Again, I bought this in a size medium. When I wash these crew necks, I actually don't put them in a dryer. Honestly, guys, I know this is a very random you know, a note. But when I wash my clothes, at least for the past month and a half or so, I have stopped putting my clothes in the dryer. The only thing I put in the dryer is just underwears, towels, whatever, you know, random stuff. But my actual like t-shirts, jackets, jeans, all that good stuff, I let it dry, like air dry basically, you know. I recommend you guys do that. That way your clothes will last longer, the colors won't get damaged, and it's just, you know, in general, it's healthier for your clothes. I know that was a very random message and whatnot, but I actually like to share, you know, some random facts about things that I do to take care of my sneakers and my clothes. So that would be all for today's review. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope that the items I showed you, you guys enjoyed to watch. I actually have to record one more video. There's gonna be some other fire pieces, and if you don't want to miss out on that review, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, turn on post notifications if you haven't. And for today's video, I would appreciate if, you know, you just leave a like, because that just helps with the algorithm, so which is well needed. So with all of that out of the way, thank you so much, and I'll catch you guys in the next upload schedule. Peace.